In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add notes in Apple Calendar. First, we need to open the Calendar app on your iPhone or iPad. The Calendar app is usually found on your home screen. It has an iconic white icon with a red corner. Once you tap it, you'll see your events laid out in a monthly view. This is where you can keep track of all your important dates and appointments. Opening the app is the first step in adding notes to your events. This means you are ready to enhance your scheduling with additional information that can help you stay organized. Next, find the event you want to edit. Scroll through your calendar to locate the specific event. You can also switch to different views like the daily or weekly view to make this easier. Once you've found the event, tap on it to open the event details. This step is crucial because it allows you to customize the event and add any pertinent notes. You might have a meeting or a birthday party, and notes can help you remember key details. Now tap the Edit button, usually found in the upper right corner of the screen. After tapping it, you'll enter the editing mode for the selected event. This mode allows you to change a variety of details, such as the time, location, and of course notes. It's important to access this mode to ensure you can make all necessary adjustments. Once you are in edit mode, feel free to make any changes you need to ensure the event is perfect. After that, scroll through the event details until you find the Notes field. This field is typically located below the main event information. It's a designated area where you can jot down thoughts, reminders, or any additional information you may need. This small detail is significant because it keeps your event organized and informative. You can add anything from a simple reminder to a detailed agenda, making your calendar not just a schedule but also a valuable resource. Once you have located the Notes field, tap on it to enter your notes. The keyboard will appear, allowing you to type in whatever information you wish. Feel free to add as much or as little as you need. This is your space to personalize the event. Whether it's a reminder to bring certain items or notes on who will attend, this is where it all comes together. Taking this step helps ensure you won't forget important details that could enhance your experience. Finally, tap Done in the upper right corner to save the event. This action confirms all your changes, including the notes you just entered. You will see a confirmation appear that your edits have been saved. This step is essential because it ensures your information is recorded accurately, so you don't lose any of your important notes. Your calendar is now more informative, making it easier to navigate your busy schedule. With these steps completed, you have successfully added notes to your event in Apple Calendar. You can now refer back to this information whenever you need it. Keeping your calendar updated helps you stay organized and prepared for what's ahead. Remember, a well-maintained calendar can significantly reduce stress and improve productivity. Thank you for watching and enjoy using your enhanced Apple Calendar.